Hello and welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on the Honeydue Couples Finance app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your smartphone, and within the home page you will now see the Create a New Account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can enter your preferred email address. After typing in your email address, tap on the Confirm button, and now you will be asked to check your inbox. Go ahead and open up your inbox, and you will find your sign up code. You can also tap on the sign up button within your email to proceed right away. After tapping on this button or entering the code, you will now be allowed to personalize your profile. Tap on the Let's Get Started button and enter your name to begin. After entering your name, you can also upload a picture if you wish. Then press the next button, or you can do this later as well. Now you can invite your partner onto the application. Tap on the next button and then enter your partner's name. You can also do this later by tapping on I'll do this later. Now you can start customizing your profile and start creating your budget by connecting your accounts right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Honeydue expense tracking app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.